Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Callie Cat is sitting on the floor. Oh, she heard her name. She's like, hey, mom's talking. Maybe I should go get on that camera. Because she's such a little star. Oh my goodness, my kitty. Today we have Look Fantastic. Y'all, if you don't know what Look Fantastic is a makeup and beauty subscription. It comes all the way from the UK, but it is an international company. That means no matter where you are, they will put the website into your currency. You can get them shipped to you. They come quickly. It's awesome. I love it. I get this box every single month. You can get it for as low as $19 a month. No, excuse me, as low as $16 a month if you commit to 12 months. The month to month is 19. So they send you 6 items in here, guaranteed to be worth $60 or more. I do have a link below that will give you 25% off your order. That's if you order the subscription or if you just order a makeup product through their website, you can use it on that as well. So yay for that. I love you can use it in the store as well as with the subscription. That is awesome. I do believe they have an advent calendar. I'm trying not to do advent calendars, y'all. I really want to, but I'm trying not to. Let's just look in here and see what we got. I'm so excited. I can't even wait. So while I am opening this box, I would really love it if you would press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to tell your friends about it. You can press the share button and put a link in your social media if you would like, or text it or email it to a friend. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I really appreciate it. I love it if you press that YouTube little bell right there, the notifications bell. Also, if you would like to tip your creator, which is me or Miss Callie Cat, hey, however you think of it, it works either way. There are 2 ways to do that now. You can use the super thanks, which is like tipping through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. There's a link down below for that as well. Thank you so very much if you do that. Kind of like Sarah G just did. She bought me 3 coffees. So thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. All right, let's look into the box. So I pulled it up on the website so I'd know what to tell you about everything. They call this the Temptation box. Let's get tempted, y'all. So they are a sister company to Boxycharm. So they always come in these nice reusable, recyclable boxes. I love that. This one is such a beautiful red color. Ooh, I love it. So let's see what's inside the Look Fantastic box. Let's look fantastic, y'all. Give in to temptation. So they have their little edit flyer in here. That was Miss Callie opening the door behind you. Let's see. Meet your October products. Ooh, Highlight 101. I love it when they do stuff like this and show you where to put everything. I love that. See, I normally don't do a highlighter right there in the middle of my forehead. Well, except for this thicker thingy. That's interesting. Rose oil, home scents. Just a cute little flyer. Reusable face wipes. And what's coming up? Avant. Oh, I love it. And wow. Color Wow Dream Coat. Okay. All right, let's move on. I want to see. All right, there are my 6 items. And I know the little flyer said 8, but I'm guessing that maybe that was options you can get. It does say this is variety 2 or variation 2 on my box. So let's see what we got. This is Korres Wild Rose Sleeping Facial Night Cream. Oh, I love a night cream. Night-Brightening Sleeping Facial. Vitamin Super C Brightening and Plumping. This is 20 milliliters. It doesn't say how much it's worth, even on the website. Let's see what it says about the box. We're bringing you products for your body, hair, skin, by brands such as the TikTok trending Isoclean. I haven't been watching TikTok lately to know it's trending. Who are the experts in cosmetic hygiene, and Korres with their Wild Rose Sleeping Facial Night Cream that'll leave you waking up with petal soft skin. And that's not all. We've really thought about your senses this month with the product from the Ritual of Sakura to help you relax and inspire positive energy. Intrigued? All right, let's smell this. I don't know if I'll get to keep this one. Y'all, my bestie loves some rose stuff. Let's see. Oh, yes, that's lovely. It's a nice, soft rose scent. I love it. That is lovely. That is very lovely. All right, the next thing on here is We Are Paradoxx Moisture Conditioner. Oh, this is shampoo. Well, it's a conditioner, not a shampoo. Moisture conditioner with argan oil for supreme hydration. So we have a conditioner. This is 50 milliliters. Y'all know I love conditioners and stuff, and I love stuff this size. It's great for traveling. Woo! There it goes. Hang on. Squeezing out. I don't love these metal bottles, though, because of this reason. Because I get them squeezed, and then it all flops out. But I wanted to smell it. I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite scent, actually. It has a little more of a musk to it than I normally like my hair to smell like, but I don't hate it either. Do get some of it off because that was a lot. It's a lot of conditioner. I got conditioner all over me now. I know, I'm silly. But hey, my skin should feel good. And hopefully my hair will next time I wash it. Alright, the next thing, this is the Isoclean Cosmetic Sponge Cleanser. I'm so glad I got this. I am almost out of my cleansers and things for my sponges and brushes and things. Oh, I love this. So, this is 110 milliliters. There's no writing on this thing for me to tell you anything about it. Let's see what it smells like. I can't smell it. I don't know. Looks cool though. Looks all marbly in there. I'll have to let you know how this performs. Apparently it's a big thing. So you could have got the brush cleanser or the sponge cleanser, and this one is the sponge cleanser. That's cool. This is the scents they were talking about. The Ritual of Sakura, a scented candle. This is 24 grams. Oh, the prices are on there. It's in euros. This is worth $5.50. $5.50. I don't know why I said $5. It's €5 and 50 whatever their cents is worth, because I don't know how that one says. This one is €8. That was the sponge cleaner. The We Are Paradoxx conditioner was worth €10 and 50 and change, and the Wild Rose was worth €14 and 50 and change. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say it correctly. I'm not from the UK. This smells lovely. This smells so lovely, and it's so pleasing, synthetically pleasing. It's very nice. I like that. These are Magnitone London Wipe Out Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Remover Pads. Removes makeup with just water. So they're like makeup erasers. I do like these. I've never tried this particular brand, but I do like the makeup erasers. Actually, maybe I have. I think I gave one of these to my mom because I remember that pattern. These are nice to have to take your makeup off. They are worth €8. I'll see about getting that changed into dollars and putting it down below in the description for y'all. Now this is Luvia Cosmetics, and it is a highlighter, and it is broken. It is so broken. Y'all see that? I mean, it's still usable. We'll see if I don't, hopefully I won't get it everywhere. And normally if I contact them, they'll correct that problem for me. Let's see. Oh my gracious. It's in an individual pan that I would have to put in one of those magnetic thingies, which I've got one of those magnetic things. That's fine. Oh gracious, stuff just went flying. Hang on, here's a piece of it. It's pretty. It's lovely. Turn this down, see if it'll show you better. It's very lovely, very gold, pretty color. It's just crushed. That's too bad. I think I can press it down though and keep using it and use it still. Anyway, so some of the other stuff that I could have got that was on here are the Rituals of Sakura perfume in a little squirty bottle, or the brush cleaner from ISO. So what do y'all think about this box? I mean, not too bad for, what did I say, $16 to $19? Yeah, $16 to $19. You got the night mask, the little cleansing wipe, the sponge cleaner, the cute little candle, the conditioner for your hair, and the little highlighter. I don't know how it came broken. They had it in nice and wrapped up. But boy, do I have highlighter all over now. All over my laptop. But that was fun. So y'all tell me what you think. Comment below. I want to hear, have you used any of these brands? I don't know that I've used any of them, except for the Magnitone wipe is the only one that I recognized. Well, I didn't even recognize the name until I pulled the wipe out, and then I realized I had seen it before. So that is what I like about this box. You get different brands that you wouldn't get in Boxy or Ipsy, things like that. So I love the exposure to new brands. Comment below. I want to hear y'all's opinion about it. Thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope you have a safe and fun, spooky month. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless. Y'all, I have a correction to make. It is not 20% that you get off. It is 25% you get off if you use my code. So yay for that. I hope you enjoy it.